welcome to Align Pattern. Today we are going to study the questions asked in exams like SBI, IBPS, RBI, RRB, NABARD, Bank PO year 2021-22. These questions will be useful for you in computer science exams and interview also. Watch the video to the end and be sure to like and subscribe. So let's get started. Question number 1. Taskbar can be placed at? Answer is any side of the screen. Taskbar is the bar used to launch and monitor running applications. Actually, it is the access point for programs displayed on the desktop, even if the program is minimized. It is actually found at the bottom of the screen. However, it can be placed at the left, right, or the top section of the desktop. That's why the correct answer is at any side of the screen, taskbar can be placed. Question number 2. Word processing, spreadsheet, and photo editing are examples of. Answer is application software. Application software is a computer program designed to help people perform an activity. Common examples of application software are Microsoft Word, Spreadsheet, VLC Media Player, Firefox or Google Chrome, accounting applications, photo editor, mobile apps such as video games, WhatsApp, etc. Question number 3. Connection or link to other documents or web pages that contain related information is called. Answer is hyperlink. Hyperlink is mainly used in websites to redirect the user from one page to another. Website uses hyperlink as a way to navigate online content. Question number 4. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further subdivided into. Answer is sectors. The sector is the minimum storage unit of a hard drive. Each sector stores a fixed amount of user data, traditionally 512 bytes for hard disk drives and 2048 bytes for CD-ROMs and DVD-ROMs. Generally, newer HDDs use 4096 byte sectors, which are known as the advanced format, that is AF. Question number 5. What is the extension of a shortcut for an executable file? Answer is .exe file. These files are most commonly used on Windows computers to install or run the software application. Question number 6. Backspace key on the keyboard is used for. Answer is deleting text toward left side of the cursor. Backspace key removes text to the left of the cursor. If you need to delete text to the right of the cursor, then you have to press the delete key. Question number 7. To go to the end of the document, dash command can be used. Answer is Ctrl plus end is used to move the cursor to the end of the document. Question number 8 is GUI stand for. Answer is Graphical User Interface. Graphical User Interface enables a user to communicate with a computer through the use of symbols, visual metaphors and pointing devices. Question number 9. Dash is a complete order listing of all the items in a collection. Answer is numerator. The term is commonly used in mathematics and computer science to refer to a listing of all the elements of a set. An enumeration is a complete order listing of all the items in a collection. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a computer language? A. C++, B. Lotus 123, C. COBOL, D. BASIC. And the answer is Lotus 123 is not a computer language. Lotus 123 was a spreadsheet program developed by Lotus Software, which is now part of IBM and was first released on January 26, 1983. Lotus 123 was not the first spreadsheet application, but because of its capabilities, it became the industry standard throughout the 1980s and 90s. Question number 11. A file which consists of permanent data is known as. Answer is master file. Master file contains descriptive data such as names and addresses, as well as summary information such as amount due and year to date sales. Question number 12. MPG extension refers usually to what kind of file? Answer is animation or movie file. A file with the .mpeg or .mpg file extension is an MPEG video file format, which is popular format for movies that are distributed on the internet. They use a specific type of compression that makes streaming and downloading much quicker than other popular video formats. Question number 13. ROM is needed for storing an initial program. Call. Answer is Bootstrap Loader. Bootstrap Loader is a program that resides in a non-volatile memory, especially in computers EEPROM and ROM. The Bootstrap Loader loads the computer's operating system at first when computer gets started by reads and hard drive boot sector. The Bootstrap Loader loads the operating system for the computer into the memory. The computer can then access, load and run the operating system. Question number 14. time during which a job is proceeded by a computer is? Answer is execution time. The execution time or CPU time of a given task is defined as the time spent by the system executing that task, including the time spent executing running time or system service on its behalf. Question number 15. 1 MB is equal to? Answer is 1024 kilobytes. As we have seen in previous video, basic questions, the smallest piece of data is the bit and the data will be transformed to its binary form. Byte is equal to 8 bits, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes, 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes, 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes, 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes. Question number 16. General purpose computers are those that can be adapted to countless uses simply by changing its. Answer is program. A general purpose computer is a computer that is designed to be able to carry out many different tasks. Examples of these type of computers are desktop computers and laptops. And simply by changing its program, you can adapt these computers to countless uses. Question number 17. A typical modern computer uses. Answer is LSI chips. Actually, LSI technology, that is large scale integration, was conceived in the mid 1970s when computer processor microchips were under development. LSI is the process of integrating or embedding thousands of transistors on a single silicon semiconductor microchip. Question number 18. The most powerful type of computer is? Answer is supercomputer. Supercomputer is a computer with a high level of performance as compared to a general purpose computer. The performance of a supercomputer is commonly measured in floating point operations per second and instead of million instructions per second. Question number 19. List of instructions used by computer is called? Answer is program. Basically, a computer program is a set of instructions. A computer program in its human readable form is called as source code. The source code needs another computer program to execute because computers can only execute their native machine instructions. Therefore, source code may be translated to machine instructions using the language's compiler. The resulting file is called as executable, and alternatively, source code may execute within the language's interpreter. Question number 20. Who invented the supercomputer? Answer is Seymour Cray in the 1960s. A supercomputer is a computer with a high level of performance compared to a general purpose computer. Supercomputers were introduced in the 1960s and for several decades the fastest were made by Seymour Cray at control data operation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such questions and answers. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel Align Pattern where learning made easy.